This is a story of my backyard find. I was looking for a 1995 to 1997 FZJ80 Land Cruiser. And so I started on Craigslist like anybody would, and I wanted something that had no rust, straight body, no large tires. I didn't want anything that had been rock crawling or even anything that had a crazy high lift kit on it. Nothing that had been overlanding. I wanted a bone stock vehicle. And then I found this. It's literally a backyard find. The truck was parked in a guy's backyard collecting leaves, dirt, dust, spider webs. The only rust was at the bottom of the spotlights, which is fine because that's not a part of the vehicle. So I was totally okay with it. The vehicle ran, it drove, good tranny, good engine. The body was straight, although all of the paint was faded. But through paint correction, I thought, I can take care of that. The interior, bad shape, very dirty, but the dash was good, so it didn't have any cracks in it. So I thought, this is totally workable. I could tell that the tires hadn't been turned because they had spider webs, but I plan on putting BF Goodrich KO2s on it, so that didn't bother me. So I thought, let's check it out, see what we have. And then I found that it needed everything. Everything that typically happens with these vehicles, this truck needed. Steering knuckles were leaking grease, brakes were squishy, no emergency brakes. I'll take it. Let's blow the dust off this puppy and see what we have. But it wasn't that bad. As I said, the hood was oxidized, the top of the rear lift gate was oxidized, the fender flares were oxidized, the right rear door was faded, but it looks like it was salvageable with some paint correction. And so I thought this is going to be workable. I'm going to do this. And how difficult can it be to actually paint a truck, right?
Okay, this was kind of a disaster.
So it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. But I ultimately wound up with a result that I think is workable. I mean, it's acceptable to me. I'm going to enjoy it. So what I plan to do is in this series is I'm going to go over in detail what I did to paint the vehicle, the mistakes I made, and there were many, how much it costs, how much time it takes. And I hope that in the event someone is looking to take on a project like this, that it can help save you some time and money and overall headache. So I hope you'll like, subscribe, and follow me as I fix, upgrade, and repair my backyard find. I'll see you in the next video.